No dejaron que Pío se subiera.
Ya lo regresaron en dos, ya.
¿Ah?
En dos lo regresaron.
Sí.
This is gotta be very soaking wet. It's gotta be very soaking wet.
Se siente chido. Sube las patitas para que no se te mojen. So you make TikTok videos of all the rides?
TikToks and blogs. I'm a published author that writes travel content.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh. Oh. That felt good.
Alam mo, rock na nila ako doon.
¿Se siente chido? No, se te fresca.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, this is like a shoe.
Y'all are cursed. Every time I end up filming, whoever's opposite of me gets like absolutely drenched for the camera.
He likes it.
Oh yeah.
Hey Diego, we'll see you on a TikTok video.
Yeah.
I'll gladly link it to my channel. You'll be able to see it. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
A la cola.
I don't want to be long.
Mi pata.
It can't be. Carrie, you're a little wet. I don't want to be hot. I want to be hot.
Hazte para allá. I don't want to get wet. Usted, yo no veo que se moje. I'm only wet one.
Well, it might change now.
Oh.
Because I got a ton of
No. Oh my god. Oh, that's cheating.
Me hubiera sentado yo ahí.
Mother, say, it's not wet.
Oh.
Look, this side didn't get wet. Put it in there.
That's it.
Ya. No, hombre, te hubiera sentado a tocar con Camila.
Thanks for riding with me. That was fun.
It was fun.
I got the most wet ever.
I didn't want to get wet.
I should sit here.
Yeah. ¿Ya que está chido? ¿Te refresca?
Returns to the turntable.
Ay, mis patitas van a estar bien mojadas.
This side is the most